how to find your Revolut card PIN. So if you want to find it directly, unfortunately, because of security reasons, of course, and for your safety, you are not allowed to do this. You can't even go search it in your website. So here, you can't even do it here for security reasons, I suppose. As you can see, you're gonna need to get the app itself. So it's gonna be all in your app. First, you're gonna open the Revolt app. So once you've opened the Revolt app, you can go to the card section. So on the top, so on the main screen of the app, tap on the card section, usually located at the bottom of the screen, and select your physical card. So of course the one that you want to reset the PIN for or find. So as you can see here, the only option is to change PIN, as checking your PIN is not allowed in the Revolut app, so you're gonna have to reset your PIN if you technically want to see your PIN. Next is to enter your current PIN, as you can see here, which if you don't remember, you can go ahead and skip this step and proceed to reset it. There's gonna be more verifications, of course, but once you do that, you can go ahead and set your new PIN, and you'll be asked to confirm it. Now your Revolut card PIN will now be updated. And for extra info, as you can see, if you want to check your PIN without forgetting or resetting, Revolut does not allow you to view your PIN directly for security reasons. So here are some important notes as well. You can go ahead and pause the video for more information. So if this video helps you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.